Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Jenny if you don't know me, and I really hope you're having a wonderful day. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your own natural deodorant with only 3 ingredients and very easy to make. So let's get into it. For this recipe, we only need half cup of coconut oil, half cup of corn flour, and 2 tablespoons of sodium bicarbonate. Let's start adding the coconut oil in a bowl. I have to melt it a little bit because it's really cold in Melbourne. Then add the corn flour and the sodium bicarbonate together. Stir until get the consistency we want. I've decided to add an extra ingredient in the last minute, which is a teaspoon of peppermint oil. This is gonna give a touch of freshness, but guys, this ingredient is optional. You don't have to do it. The recipe still works without it. So stir again to mix the essential oil with the rest of the ingredients. Then do a test on one of your hands and feel the softness of your new deodorant. Stir in a small glass container like this, and voila, you have deodorant for at least 3 months. I told you guys it was going to be very easy to make, and we got in this beautiful container our natural deodorant. So one of the reasons that I don't want to use or buy deodorants at the supermarket is because they have many ingredients, and one of the ingredients is the aluminum. The aluminum is being related with the breast cancer and other illness. However, there's not any proof or evidence to confirm that, but I don't want to wait for that evidence. I don't want to take that risk, and I just want to make my own stuff. And yeah, so I really know where all the ingredients come from. And yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you like it, and if it's like that, please share with your friends, with your family, and do not forget to subscribe. I really appreciate that, and I will see you in the next video.